Welcome back to Mount Western Raceway. This is Heat 4 of Minis versus Mustang, and once again in the booth is Hot Wheel Boys. We're looking at vision from Heat 3, and I'm really surprised how well these Minis are performing.
Kia ora. Well, in Heat 3, the racing was fantastic. The Minis really showed that, they've got some pace. Let's see what happens in Heat 4.
It is a tough challenge here for the Minis on MWR, and they are holding their own against those mighty Mustangs. Let's have a look at our cars for tonight.
First up, we've got the yellow 2001 Cooper, and the next car is the red 2011 Countryman. They look fast, Simon.
A nice pair of racing Minis right there. Coming up for the Mustangs, we have the black 07 Ford, and alongside of him is the blue custom Ford Mustang. Race 1, who's up front, Hot Wheel Boys?
Black Mustang and the red Countryman. There they go! Wow, look at the speed of the Mustang. Fantastic.
The black Mustang all over the track.
Here comes the black Mustang down to the finish line. Whoa, what a win by the black Mustang. As the saying goes, behind every Mustang is a Mini.
The red Mini and Mustang coming in late there. Be interesting to see a replay across the line.
And here are the minor placings, with the yellow Cooper coming in second and the red Countryman coming in third place.
Both the Minis up front in this race, the red and the yellow. Can they turn this around and get those points? Very close into turn 1.
Oh, the yellow Cooper is pulling away. But look out, here comes the blue custom Mustang. He's hooning it down the track.
It's a battle to the line, and the blue Mustang's going to take this in a 9.2. That yellow Mini was just in trouble.
Mate, talk about choke city. The yellow Cooper had it in the bag, but lost control right at the end. I'm sure he's wishing Kev and Nige were back from Thailand.
That's right, Hot Wheel Boys. He had that race done and dusted, but choked.
And in second place, here comes the red Countryman, and in third, the black Mustang. We've got the yellow Mini and the blue Mustang up front, and they're off. Whoa, look at that. Bump and grinding, right into turn 1.
All scattered out of turn 1, and the yellow Mini's coming in backwards.
And here come the Mustangs. Wow, maximum points for them, first and second place.
A very interesting race there, a 1-2 for both the Mustangs. And where's that red Countryman? There he is, stuck up near the garages.
Having a look at the minor placings, we've got the blue Mustang in second and the yellow Cooper in third.
Hot Wheel Boys on the front line of both the Mustangs.
We've got the Minis in the back, and the Mustangs are off. See you later, alligator. They are gone.
The black Mustang's just stealing the show.
And here come the Mustangs. Wow, man, they are flying.
Well, the Mustangs are bringing it home with those points. Look at that, a 13 and a 12.
What a win by the blue Mustang.
And a slow time too of a 10.2. I'm very surprised.
The yellow Mini parked on the track. Looks like it ran out of petrol. But man, what a win by the blue Mustang. It just passed the black Mustang right at the end.
The Mini's coming to terms with yet another loss, and the Countryman just crawls across the line for third place.
Looking at the point score, 57 points for the Mini and 89 for the Mustangs.
The Mustangs bringing home some big points, sitting on 89. Mini's on 57, and there's 32 points between them coming out of Heat 4.
Going through to the next round, we have the 2011 Countryman and the black 07 Mustang.
Hot Wheel Boys, we're looking at some vision from tonight's racing. Do you have any words of wisdom for Team Mini? They seem to be in a world of hurt at the moment.
Well, the Minis were keen today. They really need to put their foot down. They really need to get more points on the board. Let's see what happens in Heat 5.
Nice words of wisdom there, Hot Wheel Boys. We'll see you back in the booth for Heat 6 of Minis versus Mustangs. A big thank you to our co-hosts, ENZED Racing and Hot Wheel Boys. Check them out on the social media, give them a thumbs up and leave a comment. This program is proudly sponsored by ENZED Racing, CRC Racing and Po Boy Racing. That's a wrap for tonight on MWR. Until next time, catch you later.
I've got a rebel soul. 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 Just get down with it, down with it, down with it. Just get down. I ain't no thing. can't be good, but